Okay, here is our ISOPOD, and looking good, Hero. Can you turn it upside down?
Ingredients on the table to
Yeah, if you're going to use it. Let's take a look at this ISOPOD. Hero says it's live, very live. Oh yeah, it's really live. You can get a look at this better. I'm super fascinated with this creature. I really am. You know, I hate to say this, but I have a Pomeranian that looks like this, and he loves to be on his back. Once he's on his back, he wants you to carry him to the room. Now, what do you look like when you're upside down? Can we see? Harley? Are you a good boy? Let's look at you while you're upside down, and in this position, with those two little beady eyes, a little nose and mouth. He doesn't look like that isopod. Oh, come on. But similar shade color. I can see why people think this would be a really cute pet, but how to sustain it? I don't know. I guess you'd have to find some kind of tank, a saltwater tank. You see how many legs? Let's see. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 legs, 7 on each side. And the only thing, it doesn't have any real defense mechanism. And the eyes are just incredible, right? Guess lobsters you see all the time, but isopods are very rare. You can go online and you can't even find them this size. It's impossible. Really, really hard. And last time the eggs were right in that center area. That's where the eggs were. It was a female. Okay, I feel actually kind of bad, Hero. This creature's actually really kind of cute. What everyone says is cute. You know? It really is a cute looking creature. Really, really cute. Okay. Well, we're going to make something special. It's not going to go to waste.
Okay.
Let's start. Let's get a close up of this isopod in his eyes. Look at that. Look inside there. Really, really cool. Really interesting. Kind of behind the scenes. Hiro-san, are you excited?
Yeah, very excited. It's not much.
Not much, right? Let me tell you what, this is like, there's no meat really. Maybe by the edges like you said last time. But everything else just kind of some kind of white, fatty material. You know? Just take a peek in here real quick. Look at this. Okay, anyway, another few more minutes.